Hi guys, welcome back. So yesterday I posted a video. It was all my fidget collection. It wasn't a crochet video. This one isn't either. Anyway, I have some crochet videos if you guys would like to go check them out. Anyway, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a snapper. Now it doesn't look like one, but it's called a snacker, a snapper. And all you need is a wacky track. So if you saw my fidget collection video, you saw that I have some wacky tracks. I'm trying to find the other one. Just give me a sec. I don't know where it is. You guys should know that I have pin that I keep all my fidgets in, and I can't seem to find the wacky track, so I guess I'll just undo this one and do it again. Anyway, so I'm just gonna undo this one quickly. Anyway, so this is how you should have your wacky track. It'll look something like this. Anyway, so you can normally play with wacky tracks the normal way, just like play with them. But for this, the first thing that you want to do when you're making your wacky track is make a circle. Now to do this is you're going to take your wacky track and connect these two pieces together like that. So then you have a circle. You can make a bracelet or you can make a snapper. So anyway, then you're going to want to get two sides across from each other, and you're going to want to pull. And then you're going to want to shape it into a rectangle. So it looks like this. Then you're going to want to leave two on this side. And you're going to want to shove, so I'm pinching two. And put these two up. So then it looks like this. I have two. And we're going to push it downwards. So it looks like this. We're going to make four sides. And it should look like a cross. Then we're going to want to flip up all four sides. So we're just going to take two and push them upward. Let me try that. So then it should look like this. You're going to do that on all four sides. Also, I'm getting my iPod tomorrow, and I'm so excited. It's the 7th generation. Anyway, there. So then after you've folded all four sides, you have your snapper. Now you just put in your hand like you would a snapper, and you push down. Oh, I dropped it. There. Anyway, simple snapper. And you can do them in all different colors, and they're really easy to take out. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. I want to get at least 100 subscribers by April, and I'll be posting fidget and crochet videos. I may change it to Lauren Loves Crochet and Fidget, or Lauren Loves Fidgets and Crochet, because my name is Lauren, and I love both of those things. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and please like, subscribe, and share. Let's get this video to 20 likes. If it gets 20 likes, I'll do a dog reveal, because I do have a dog. His name is Sailor. He's so cute. Anyway, yep, I'll do a dog reveal if you guys get this video to, if I get 100 subscribers by April. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.